just so pretty, aren't I? Who are you?
I'm your stalker.
Are you gay?
No.
Are you from Africa?
No.
We don't speak the same language. I'm sorry. I don't understand you.
What?
Oh, are you my cousin? You my long lost cousin?
No. No. Let me out of here.
Oh, sorry.
Let me out.
No, sorry.
Let me out.
Sorry, no.
Let me out.
Mama says I need friends. Peekaboo.
You're stalker. I'm supposed to be your stalker.
Well, you're my best friend.
No, I'm not. Get away. No paparazzi.
Follow me on Facebook. You're making too much ruckus. Mother's gonna wake up.
I'm supposed to be your stalker.
You've got the wrong bloke, Squire.
Welcome to hell.
No, sorry.
You dare push me.